Yay, Hummer, what is wrong? Oh no, P0128. Yay, coolant thermostat. Oh no, Hummer. Yay, the thermostat is back here. Yeah, you got to pull the bracket. Yay, alternator. Okay, I do that now. Yay, 15, 10 millimeter. 15. Yeah, so what you want to do, right here you remove the alternator. When you move that, you can then get to this bugger right here. Can you see that? Right here. Then you can get to that. Then you can pull this out. And then you get to this, yay. And then can you see down in here? Are you looking? Yeah. Down in here, now you move this and this. And then you get your Hummer going again. Okay, yay. Yay, with the fuse box to remove. Let's see if we can get this bugger out. Okay, here we go. Here you go. You got to do it. Do it now. Here it comes. Okay, get ready. This is what you got to do this. Okay, you got to yay, here you go. Cause I'm a stud. Okay. What you got to do is remove the fuse box. Okay? There you go. That's what no one will show you, but I show you. Cause I'm a stud. I'm ballsy. I get my own alternator out. I'm like you.